Hi, my name's Amanda Fiorio and this is for Module 7, Block 3, Task 1. We will be role-playing case study 1 for the purpose of this assessment. Good morning, Adina. Nice to see you. How are you today?
Well, thank you. Excited for today.
Excellent. I am too. I hear that you've been feeling a little bit low on energy and need to feel a little bit more active. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's great. Well, I'm here today to show you what sorts of activities that you can do and that will help with you achieving that. Can you tell me a little bit about what sorts of activities you do enjoy doing?
I enjoy the effects of what physical activities will have on my social and well-being growth.
That sounds great. And it's something that we'll be able to achieve together when we're working with each other in our sessions. What expectations do you have for our session?
I'm hoping that working with you will bring me more confidence and a sense of empowerment.
Well, you are definitely in the right place. And we'll, fingers crossed, feel all these things once we have finished up our session. Our little activity today will be something that we'll just start you off with, a little bit of a warm-up, to then ease you into things as you're feeling more comfortable to progress with. So here we have a treadmill. Have you ever used one before?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I read that in your study here that you have had a little bit of background use in a gym, so I guess it's not anything that you're not familiar with, but it will at least give you a little bit more confidence when you are participating in the activity. So as I was saying, this is a treadmill. I've popped some tactile signals on the floor here, as you can see, and up here on the handles, just so that you can have a sense of the feel of what's going on. I will step on. Before you step onto the treadmill, you need to make sure that it's off, most definitely. And then once you're ready and set to go, you press the start button so it turns on. Attach the red cord to you. This is just if you are to fall off. The treadmill will stop when it comes off, and just press start and the treadmill will actually begin moving. We will start off on a lower speed, and then as you feel more confident, we can up the speed and even the incline, but that can be for a little bit later. We'll just go with how you feel as you're doing it. So, do you feel comfortable to commence? And do you think anything I've shown you will stop you from engaging in this particular activity?
Yes, I feel comfortable and I will be fine to do what you have demonstrated.
Excellent. I will get you to hop on quickly. So, if you recall, great work.
Sorry, I have one arm.
Perfect. You can attach it to your sleeve, that works well. Great work. Okay, so when you're all set, you feel comfortable like that?
Correct.
Great. Okay, we'll press start. So it just starts with a countdown, and then you'll find that the mat will start to move. So if you just move with it, we'll put the speed up a little bit. How are you feeling with that speed?
Good.
Okay, so I guess the goal of this is just to ease you back in slowly into some physical activity, and by starting off on a slower speed, you'll build that confidence as well as feel that motivation and energy levels increase also. So as you do feel you're able to go a little bit faster, we can increase your speed here, and as I was talking to you about before, we can increase the incline so that it's almost as though you're walking up a hill at a different incline. Great. how's it feeling for you?
Good.
Wonderful. Okay, we'll stop it there. And I'll just show you on the computer here. This here is a resource for you to give you some information on what the nutrition principles are that you should follow each day. As you can see, the food pyramid here, I've got a copy of this to give you actually. So here it is. You can take that away with you.
Thank you.
And keep it and refer back to it each day as to how many foods from each food group you should be eating on a day-to-day basis. That will assist most definitely with your energy levels, but it will also help you keep a tab on what foods you should be eating more of and less of, and what foods will also give you a lot more energy and what will drain you from that energy also. Is there anyone else in your support network you'd like me to collaborate with? I will share what we've done so far with your physiotherapist so that they can provide complimentary treatment when you go to visit them as well, to keep it in sync with what we're doing.
Yeah, that sounds great. I was hoping for some collaboration with my physio, and you already said you would do that, so that's great.
Wonderful. Well, today you've done really, really well. You showed that you are definitely able to use the treadmill in the way that it is designed to be used. You've also learned how to use it, so it's a skill that you'll be able to carry on through as time goes on, and we'll be here to work together to continue to increase your knowledge, but also your physical activity and your motivation to wanting to stay healthy and fit, which is a great move and step into the right direction.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. Well, we'll see you next week. Have a good afternoon. Thanks, Adina.
Bye-bye.
Bye.